So my name is Justin Borja. I recently just moved to San Diego, but I'm in the Navy for 6.5 years now. So I heard that they were run by military veterans, so that was the first thing. And I actually heard from a few people, just very casually, who had brought up Semper Solaris. So I decided to look into it, and they were very helpful. So I decided to pull the trigger with them. From the initial consultation, they came within probably one or 2 days, very quick. They helped us through the whole process. I've never bought solar panels before, so that was very quick in the whole process of getting permits and everything. They gave me a timeline, and everything was much faster than the timeline that they had anticipated. I think that all in all is just better for the environment. In order to be truly sustainably aware, you have to get solar panels to provide electricity. Semper Solaris is very good with walking you through what kind of panels you would need, or the type of power that you need to produce. So it's helpful, but Semper Solaris is able to close the gap and fill any gaps in your knowledge that you would need to know about solar. So if you have any questions, they're a good place to start.